So guys, once you're on the ChatGPT website, in the top left, next to the link, you want to click right here, View Site Information. Once this comes up, you want to select Cookies and Site Data, and now you want to select Manage On-Device Site Data. You want to delete everything that will come up here. Then you want to click on Done. Now you want to click on this again, View Site Information. Now you want to click on Site Settings. Once you're on this, you want to select Delete Data, and then click on Delete. Now you want to select Reset Permissions, and then click on Reset. Now we're going to go back to ChatGPT. You want to click on Reload. You want to reload the page. Now you want to sign back into ChatGPT, and then the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then for the second method, in the top right, you want to click on the three dots. Then you want to click on Extensions. Then you want to click on Manage Extensions. If you have any extensions here that you think may be causing a problem, then you want to either disable it or delete it. This should then fix your problem.